Let's get started. Sit up tall and let's meditate. Hi, Jessie. Welcome, girl. Glad you joined us. Let's find our seated position and get ready for some action. Let's see where today's journey is going to take us. As you open the chest, relax the jaw, and drop the tongue off the roof of the mouth. Allow the front of your body to expand. Pulling the head back slightly. Tucking the chin a little bit. Finding an easy breath. Let's start with some very gentle head circles. As we allow our neck to relax in all four directions, we will feel a lot more of what's happening in our upper body. Interlace the hands behind you very lightly. No weirdness. Just see if you can just keep the hands together. And then you can straighten the arms a little bit. And get a good stretch between the shoulder blades. Put the hands on the floor behind you. See if you can keep the hands close this time. And then as you lean from side to side, you're getting both a twist and tension in the arm. And pulling in the shoulders and the chest. And then fold forward. Come back up, switch legs, and fold forward again. Good. Come up again and find cat-cow. So hands and knees. And just gently allowing your spine to bend in both directions. Good morning, Dali. Good morning. Already here in the cat-cow, you can start addressing what the shoulders are up to. Move your cat-cow to the back of the mat and find a puppy pose. You can open the knees a little bit wider and you can drop your head initially just to not tense the neck too much. If and when you're ready to bring the chin forward, you're welcome to bring the chin forward. Dziękuję. And come forward into up dog. So you just move the hips, drop them down, arms are straight, and back bend. Shoulders back, chest pushes forward, and push the floor away from you. Lower down to the floor, turn the head to the right, and windshield wipe the legs side to side. Getting a little space in the lower back. This time, straighten the legs, look forward, and lift yourself up into a cobra. You can use the hands, you cannot use the hands, it's all up to you. But I want you to try to get a little bit higher, use more back muscles, and then slowly lower down, turn to the left, windshield wipe the legs. And let's find Balasana, child's pose. Using this time to stretch your back in four directions, letting that spread down to the glutes, the hamstrings, the IT band. Come forward into plank. Tuck the chin to the chest and find your down dog. Lift the right leg up. Shake it in the air a couple times and land it back down. Lift the leg up, left leg up. Shake it in the air a couple times. Land it back down and keep walking in place. Affix your hand in a way that is more conducive to the results you want to get on your arms, spreading the fingers and stretching the arms. Walk your toe heel your feet to the front of the mat. When you get there, Uttanasana, fold over your legs, grab your elbows, and sway. So Uttanasana is a forward fold, standing forward fold. I'll go over the Sanskrit that we've been incorporating recently in class. Inhale, come up to stand, reach the arms up towards the sky, come up on your toes. This is looking for the top. Where is the top? Can you get so high there is no down? It's just up on the toes. Good. Sit into chair pose. Utkatasana with a K. Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, fold, touch the forehead to the knees. Go deeper as you straighten your legs. Bend your knees and reach your hands from behind. Cup your heels. Step on all 5 fingers of each hand, thumbs included with the grip and the pinkies touch. Wrap the elbows behind the calf muscles and start pulling on the heels and stretch your upper body down towards the floor. Keep the stomach against the thigh and the chest against the knees. The face can touch the legs below the knees. Push the knees back, try to lock your knees. Contract your thighs. Push the knees back, try to lock your knees. Lock your knees. Lock your knees. And then hands on the floor in front of you, find a back bend and jump into a plank. Chaturanga, halfway down. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Pedal your feet, walk in place. Now walk your hands back to meet your feet. Open your feet as wide as the mat. Maybe even a little wider, and start folding deeper. Keep your legs straight. If you're having a hard time keeping the legs straight, alternate between straightening the legs and folding deeper. Good. Now grab your right ankle with your left hand. Just a gentle twist. Your right hand can be on the hip. And then switch sides. It's a gentle twist with a stretch in the back of the legs. Good. Hands back through center, sit into a squat. Walk your squat to the middle of the mat. And then hands on the floor in front of you, tabletop. Hands on the floor behind you. Sorry, hands on the floor behind you, tabletop. Lift the hips up. Good. Chin to chest, look down. Make sure you have a flat line from your throat to your knees. Lift your hips higher. And then drop your head behind you and squeeze your glutes even more. Come back down, straddle stretch. Open the feet a little bit wider, get a little bit deeper. Come back up, hands on the floor behind you, reverse plank, legs together. Drop the head, look for the floor, squeeze a little bit more. And come down, cross your shins, and find your way back to Adho Mukha Svanasana, down dog. Inhale the right leg up. Exhale the right foot forward. Inhale the left foot forward. Hands on your shins, look forward. Exhale, fold over your legs. Inhale up to stand, reach the arms up towards the sky. Exhale, fold, touch the forehead to the knees. Inhale, back bend, look forward. Jump your legs back to plank, chaturanga, halfway down. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left foot forward. Inhale, right foot forward. Hands on your shins, look forward. Exhale, fold over your legs. Inhale up to stand, reach the arms up towards the sky. Exhale, fold forward, touch the forehead to the knees. Back bend, look forward. Step your left leg back. Step the right leg back. Down dog. Come forward into plank. 9 push-ups on your knees. to down dog. Look forward and up with the push-ups, and the elbows touch the ribs. If you do this long enough, it will fall into place. Just keep working on your technique. Remember, every up and down, you are getting better. Jesse, that's starting to look so much better.